We are taking a road trip, James and I, down to Florida for Christmas, and wanted to make the kids some customized lap desks. And so our permanent gloss vinyl actually works really well as a dry erase material. It's not like an official dry erase coating on there, but a dry erase marker on there for a few days will wipe off clean. It works great. So I've designed these things. The template's available for you. We'll give you a link down in the description to download this if you want to make your own. Ordered the sticker to size. I oversized it just a little bit. And then the backer, the thing that's actually going to make up the lap desk, is this 6mm PVC material, which of course we sell at FireSprint.com. I just ordered it blank because if I printed directly on this, it wouldn't be dry erase at all. And so now I am going to put them together. Making signs back in my day, I kind of have an idea of how to do this. This is not something that we offer at FireSprint, just an idea for you if you want to check it out. So I'm about to put this together. What I'm going to do first is I've actually taken down the PVC to a table to just get it sturdy. You can use some double-sided tape and stick it down, or if you have a vacuum table, or any way to kind of hold it steady for you. I've done that. And then I've just kind of roughly lined up my sticker on the top of it. And then I put, we call this a center hinge method. I put a piece of tape kind of down the center. So now I've got this hinge that I can fold back. And so I'm gonna separate the vinyl from the liner here. And the nice thing about our permanent vinyl is it's actually air egress. So even if I get a couple little bubbles in there, I should be able to work them out. Separate that liner. And this is very standard for a sign guy, just kind of separating the vinyl from the backer, cutting half of it like that. And then I'm gonna use a squeegee. In this case, I could probably get away with just using my hand or a credit card or anything like that. I'm just gonna kind of start working this down on this side. I'm gonna get this tape up out of my way now. I don't want that tape underneath the graphic. And then I'm gonna squeegee this down. It's a really nice, smooth, durable material. Set that aside. I may be able to reuse that tape. Flip this over and slowly start peeling off the other side. And it would be helpful if I had a friend to kind of hold this down, but I can manage. It's for my own kids, so. And then once I've kind of done that, squeegeed out most of those air bubbles, I'm gonna take a really sharp knife, so a brand new blade, it's really important here. And I'm gonna use this to just kind of trim along this edge to trim it flush. And again, this is for my kids, so it doesn't have to be totally perfect, but try and do a good job. A really sharp knife, brand new razor blade helps a lot right here. So there you have it. Got my dry erase lap desk for my son James.